Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some Biostatistics Fundamentals trivia. What is the term for the average value, A, median or mean or C, range or D, mode? The correct answer is B, mean. Name the branch of statistics dealing with biological data. A, bioinformatics, or B, demographics, or C, ecological analysis, or D, biostatistics. The correct answer is D, biostatistics. What is used to show the relationship between two variables? A, bar graph, or B, pie diagram, or C, scatter plot, or D, line chart. The correct answer is C, scatter plot. Which test assesses whether two population means are equal? A, chi-square test, or B, t-test, or C, ANOVA test, or D, f-test. The correct answer is B, t-test. Which law states that the sample means will approximate a normal distribution? A, sample size theorem, or B, Central Limit Theorem, or C, normal distribution law, or D, law of averages. The correct answer is B, Central Limit Theorem. Which type of study observes individuals without manipulation? A, longitudinal analysis, or B, experimental study, or C, observational study, or D, cross-sectional survey. The correct answer is C, observational study. What term describes a subset of individuals from a population? A, group, or B, sample, or C, population, or D, cluster. The correct answer is B, sample. What is the term for the number that appears most frequently? A, mode, or B, mean, or C, average, or D, median. The correct answer is A, mode. What term denotes the entire group being studied? A, dataset, or B, population, or C, variable, or D, sample. The correct answer is B, population. What is the value range that is likely to contain a population parameter? A, standard deviation, or B, sample mean, or C, margin of error, or D, confidence interval. The correct answer is D, confidence interval. What is the name for a hypothesis tested in statistics? A, research assumption, or B, null hypothesis, or C, statistical theory, or D, alternative hypothesis. The correct answer is B, null hypothesis. Which plot visualizes the distribution of a dataset? A, scatter plot, or B, histogram, or C, line graph, or D, pie chart. The correct answer is B, histogram. What is the measure of how much data varies from the mean? A, variance, or B, standard deviation, or C, mean error, or D, range. The correct answer is A, variance. Which type of sampling method ensures every member has an equal chance? A, stratified sampling, or B, random sampling, or C, convenient sampling, or D, cluster sampling. The correct answer is B, random sampling. What do we call a graphical representation of variability? A, pie chart, or B, histogram, or C, box plot, or D, line graph. The correct answer is C, box plot. Which test is used for comparing variances across groups? A, square test, or B, Levene's test, or C, t-test, or D, ANOVA. The correct answer is B, Levene's test. Which statistical software is widely used for data analysis? A, ERCSA, SPSS, RD, Python. The correct answer is C, R. What kind of data uses numeric values for measurement? A. Qualitative data, or B. Categorical data, or C. Textual data, or D. Quantitative data. The correct answer is D. Quantitative data. What type of distribution is characterized by a bell curve? A. Poisson distribution, or B. Uniform distribution, or C. Exponential distribution, or D. Normal distribution. The correct answer is D. Normal distribution. What is the method to predict outcomes using data relationships? Forecasting, or B. Analysis techniques, or C. Classification, or D. Regression. The correct answer is D. Regression. Which value represents the middle point in a dataset? A. Mode, or B. Average, or C. Median, or D. Range. The correct answer is C. Median. What statistical term describes patterns of data deviations? A. Variance, or B. Residuals, or C. Outliers, or D. Frequency distribution. The correct answer is B. Residuals. Which method involves dividing the population into subgroups? A. Stratified sampling, or B. Systematic sampling, or C. Cluster sampling, or D. Random sampling. The correct answer is A. Stratified sampling. What statistical concept assesses goodness of fit to data? A. T-test, or B. Regression analysis, or C. ANOVA, or D. Chi-squared test. The correct answer is D. Chi-squared test. What is the term for the chance of an event occurring under repeated trials? A. Ratio, or B. Frequency, or C. Probability, or D. Odds. The correct answer is C. Probability. Which analysis is best for dependent samples? A. Paired sample t-test, or B. Independent t-test, or C. Chi-square test, or D. ANOVA. The correct answer is A. Paired sample t-test. What is used to analyze the effect of multiple variables at once? A. Correlation coefficient, or B. Simple regression, or C. Univariate analysis, or D. Multivariate analysis. The correct answer is D. Multivariate analysis. Which theory underlies statistical inference through sampling? A. Sampling theory, or B. Bayesian theorem, or C. Regression analysis, or D. Normal distribution. The correct answer is A. Sampling theory. What statistical measure determines if an attribute has variation? A. Variation, or B. Mode, or C. Mean, or D. Median. The correct answer is A. Variation. What do we call a systematic review of existing studies? A. Meta-analysis, or B. Study evaluation, or C. Data compilation, or D. Literature summary. The correct answer is A. Meta-analysis. What do you call a plot that summarizes statistical data visually? A. Diagram, or B. Table, or C. Graph, or D. Chart. The correct answer is C. Graph. What term refers to a visual diagram of data frequency? A. Statistical graph, or B. Histogram representation, or C. Data chart, or D. Frequency distribution. The correct answer is D. Frequency distribution. Which test establishes if a sample mean significantly differs from a population mean? A. ANOVA, or B. One sample t-test, or C. Z-test, or D. Regression analysis. The correct answer is B. One sample t-test. What analysis technique is used for understanding relationships among multiple variables? A. Time series, or B. Multivariable regression, or C. Correlation matrix, or D. chi-square test? The correct answer is B. Multivariable regression. What generally describes the accuracy of a measurement and repeatability? A. Reliability, or B. Accuracy, or C. Precision, or D. Validity? The correct answer is C. Precision. Which statistical term explains systematic categorization of data? A. Statistical sample, or B. Classification, or C. Regression model, or D. Data analysis? The correct answer is B. Classification. What is the term for questions asked to gather statistically relevant data? A. Polling, or B. Surveys, or C. Quizzes, or D. Interviews? The correct answer is B. Surveys. What statistical approach consolidates data summaries? A. Descriptive statistics, or B. Inferential analysis, or C. Random sampling, or D. Predictive modeling? The correct answer is A. Descriptive statistics. What represents the difference between observed and expected outcomes? A. Deviation, or B. Outcome, or C. Statistic, or D. Error? The correct answer is A. Deviation. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.